hydrogen bond or a dipole-dipole, or is it?
Okay, so how do I draw?
H.
This hydrogen is H2O, so you got two H's, bonded to an O. And then if you have other hydrogen H2Os, how would the bonding, where would it bond?
The hydrogen
on the oxygen?
So it would be like that. So it would be H with the very electronegative.
Oh.
So that would be hydrogen bonding.
Okay.
Okay.
And then they would have, all molecules have like dipoles, and they like, it's like, it's not very short lasting, you know? So like, some of the electrons would shift, and that would make it attract for like 2 seconds, and then it's like, you know? So there's always some sort of attraction, but yeah, for the most part, water is hydrogen bonding. That's what makes it so viscous and surface tension and stuff like that. I think I was going to talk about that later, but
Okay.
yeah. And dipole-dipoles, polar molecules, that's like HCl and another HCl. Here's a dipole-dipole, because this is a polar molecule. So how would I draw the this thing? Partial negative, partial charges. How would I draw it here?
The partial positive would be on H.
Yes.
How do you know that?
Because it wants the chlorine. Or
Hydrogen's positive?
Okay.
Hydrogen is positive in relation to chlorine because it's very electronegative.
Right.
So it's taking its electron, stealing it.
Okay.
So then the way you draw it is the direction that the electrons are going.
To the more electronegative?
Yeah.
Okay.
To the more electronegative atom.
Okay, positive to negative.
Yeah. And then this one is like C, you know, like a hydrocarbon chain, just going on and on. And those are also have London dispersion forces. And that's like the only force they have. Okay. I wish I had the other. Are they gone now?
I don't hear anyone, so I think you're safe here.
What if I open it?
Just do it really fast, like over dramatic, like who's here?
Yeah, okay, they're gone. Oh, sorry. I'll let you have it.
Wait, someone is just standing there?
Yeah.
What the?
I
Alright.
mean, I don't need it. It's fine.
Okay. It's just funny, they just found a place to study. Aww.
I'm sorry, I don't know how to close it, so.
It's fine. It's okay. Somebody else will close it.
Yeah. Okay, I think. Okay, and then so this is, what would this be like so this is the strongest, which is the second strongest, which is the weakest?
I think the second strongest is the London dispersion. I remember one time I was saying dipole and you were like,
What was London dispersion forces again?
It's forces of attraction that are, it's not lasting. It's like, there'll be a partial negative charge if the atoms or the electrons decide to go on one side, and then it'll be attracted to the partial positive, and then it'll, you know, it's just like very,
unstable?
Very weak, yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's very weak. Okay, hit. So it's dipole.
Because this is a dipole, hydrogen bonding.
Oh, okay.
But this is the strongest.
Got it.
Because it's a tiny atom with a very large electronegative atom.
Okay.
You know, with the honey, the obese person.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah.
I'm going to remember that.
So this is the second strongest.
Okay, second strongest.
And
what?
This is the weakest.
Can I join?
Yeah. Are you in Gen Chem too?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, were you waiting there for me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, because I was going to open the room, but I saw someone there, so it was there's more board space.
Here's the sign-in sheet.
Oh, yeah, did you sign in?
Yeah.
Oh, it feels a lot better.
I know. It feels like I can breathe.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so we just discussed intermolecular forces. has already discussed in in class, and this is chapter 12. I'm just gonna give a brief overview of chapter 12. Can I race?
I'm good. I'm recording, so.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do intramolecular courses.
Okay, so that was inter the whole
Yeah.
time. Oh, okay.
That's between molecules. Intra is within.
Oh, gotcha.
So like, yeah, within molecules.
Okay. Oh, okay. That makes sense.
You already named one of them.
Ionic
Yes.
dipole.
Just ionic.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think the book mentions like ion-ion attraction.
Yeah.
Something like that. You know.
Oh,
You
okay.
don't
See,
need to
I
get
read the
into
book.
that. Yeah, you don't need to get into that.
So my brain's like
only
going all
gonna
over.
ask
the
one or two questions on chapter 12, and that stuff is too
Okay.
in-depth.
Got it. Thank you.
Don't stress out.
Okay, I'll try not to.
Yeah, I was like trying to learn them like freshman year. Like, man, this is so boring. It didn't even show up.
Oh, snap.
Okay, so it's ionic. We talked about another one. It's what, LDF?
Covalent.
Covalent, yeah. And there's one more.
Polar.
Polar is just something that you classify a molecule in. So like ionic can be polar, covalent can be polar.
Hello, is this for chemistry?
Yes, chapter 2. If you could sign in, I don't know what's name.
There's the sign-in sheet. You guys can have some candy.
Oh yeah, I brought
Lan-
candy.
yeah.
Pass it around.
Our wonderful SI leader has offered
Oh,
this
you
candy.
missed our icebreakers. Can I have your names
Ileana.
and your major and something interesting about you?
Neuroscience major. I'm terrible at chemistry, so.
Hey, we all are. That's why we have a wonderful SI leader.
Okay. We have your name, your major, and something interesting about you.
Oh, mine is suicide. That's what I am.
Suicide?
Yeah, suicide.
Okay.
Majoring in biomedical